everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for April 19th through April 25th. It's kind of a slow week. There is some okay deals, but nothing that's really popping out. Sorry, my kids have to be next to me while I'm filming. But as you guys see, the deals of the week, now they do have diapers for $8.99, and then you guys will get 10,000 points when you buy 4. The coupons that we got in the P&G do expire the 18th, I think. But you guys can use, you guys can print coupons on various websites. You just have to go to Lozo, Lozo.com, and print. That'll take you to different websites that have them. Usually it's like going to be like $1, but don't print them yet until you guys are going to get the diapers, because sometimes they might expire within a couple of days. They have a digital coupon for cereal, $1.99 with a 50-cent off coupon, making it $1.49. There's going to be some $1 off coupons for All or Snuggle, and I think we're getting some in our inserts if you guys get them, to make them $1.88. I'm not sure how of a good deal that is. Crest toothpaste is $2.99, and then you guys will get a $3 registry reward when you buy 3. Most likely there's going to be a digital coupon that pops up. I think the ones that we have now expire, but definitely check that out. And then there's Bounty and Charmin. I didn't check if there's any coupons out there for it, but they're $4.99 if your store even has any. Every single time I've gone to a store, they've been sold out. They've been sold out. So basically, you guys would buy 4 of them. You pay $19.96. You get a $6 registry reward, making it $13.96 or $3.49, which is an okay deal. But if you guys can find some coupons, definitely go ahead and do that. Maybelline is buy one, get one 50% off, and then you guys get a $5 registry reward when you buy 2. I do think, I know some of their like makeup is like 4 something, so it just depends on what you guys need with that. Chips are 2 for $5. Coke and Pepsi, buy 2 at $6.19, you get 1 free. They do that deal all the time, but I just say don't get it unless you guys absolutely need it. Paying $12 for 3 packs of pop is ridiculous when you could just wait like a couple weeks. The 7-Up and Dr. Pepper are 3 for $8.99. I usually get them when they're 3 for $8 or 3 for $9.99, but I wait till they get them for $8.99. I just feel it's a better deal. Sorry, you guys are going to listen to the background noise. I can't control my kids. They have candy bars, 88 cents. There might be some, you know, good deals. They got nuts and everything for $1.99. Now, they do have Ben & Jerry's 2 for $7. They're technically going to be $3.50 a piece. I mean, we've gotten them cheaper in the past, but I think $3.50 is an okay deal, especially if you guys, you know, have a hankering for some of that. We got Progresso soup, 3 for $4. They come out to be just $1.33 a piece. I've actually been craving Progresso soup lately, so there's kind of that. I forgot to mention on the front page, but they have, this is the coupon for it, but they do have a 10 times everyday points when you spend $20 or more in the store or at Walgreens.com. Okay, so here we got, you know, some treats, 2 for $5, 2 for $3, nothing really popping out. The Walgreens brand pizza is $3.99, there's that. Then we got the Nice brand or complete home bags, buy one at $2.79, you get 2 free. There's actually some snack bags that I very rarely ever see in the store, but there's some online, and I actually want to get some snack size bags. So I'm going to definitely do that deal online because it's free shipping. So $2.79, they come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys want to do that. Ketchup, mustard, beans, and pickles, I think those are buy one, get one free right now, so not the greatest deal. You got bottles of pop or soda, 3 for $3. Nothing really popping out with that. Cleaning products, candy, I get a kick. Candy and drinks, and then cleaning products. So if you have fun finding any of those cleaning products, definitely go ahead. Ooh, there's some M&M's called Fudge Brownie. Ooh, I want to try those. I want to try those. Those sound delicious. Facial tissue, Dawn dish soap, 99 cents. Other toilet paper, 2 for $10. They got some bottles of wine, which vary per area. Now, I'm not sure when Easter is on sale or when it's getting marked down, you guys, since I don't go to the store right now. But they do have all their spring stuff for 25% off if you guys need to get some stuff for your kids that are driving you crazy. Chalk is a huge thing in our house, and so is bubbles. So, yes. Suavitel and Ajax are $1.99 if you guys need to do that. Some glasses are buy one get one free. Now here is some other makeup. We're getting Rimmel. There is a buy one get one free 50% off, or they're gonna be on sale for buy one get one 50% off. We are getting a $4 off a 2 coupon. It looks like it's in possibly the booklet, maybe, and then there's gonna be a $2 off coupon that we're getting in our inserts, possibly. So there could be some really good deals with that. There's Sally Hansen and CoverGirl. It looks like it's buy one get one 50% off, and then if you text to clip, text the word vegan to 41456, you guys will get a digital coupon maybe sent to you. There's that. Now they're doing the same deal with the Olay and Old Spice, but I think the coupon that we have expires this week. So if you guys got, I didn't look at the date on that, but that's an okay deal. I didn't do the math because I didn't check when the coupon expires. Ponds are simple. You get 2,000 points when you guys buy 2 of them. Here they got the same deal going on this week for the Secret and the Old Spice. They are 2 for $10. You each got 4 off for 2. Like I said, I don't know when those coupons expire, but you get 4,000 points when you buy 4. If you guys can do the deal in the store, the Old Spice possibly has a Ibotta rebate. There's that. Now here's Crest. You get 4,000 points when you buy 2. But then there is a 6 off of 4 online coupon. So if you guys buy 4 of them, you guys would actually get 8,000 points plus the 6 off of 4 coupon. That is an awesome deal, and it's for Oral-B, Crest, Fix-It-Ents, Burt's Bees. Definitely check that out, you guys. I just saw that deal. Definitely check that out. Sorry about my children. Hey, Miss Charlotte. Colgate, $2.99. We're getting 50% off coupons, it looks like. I don't know if we have, you can also print some off of Colgate.com if you guys go to the store. But if you can get 2 50% off coupons, you guys would pay $4.98. You get a $5 register reward, making them free. Bic, I never get those coupons, but there's a $3 off coupon. You get 4,000 points when you buy 4. Tampax and Always, those are buy one get one 50% off, and then there's a 3 off of 2 coupon. Don't do it this week. If you guys already want to do that deal, there's some ones that just popped up online. I definitely want to stock up on that deal because I never get that stuff at Walgreens, so I definitely want to take advantage of that deal. But here, they just got some medicines and wellness products and all that. This stuff's been going on for like 2 or 3 months. They're really pushing the Walgreens brand, which there's nothing wrong with that. And then here's just more medicines, allergy pills, other things here and there. Photos, I probably won't see an 8x10 photo deal for a while, just because, sorry, my kids are still going insane, just because we don't want people going in the store just to get free photos. So that's probably why they haven't done a photo deal, and they usually do it around Easter time anyways. Miss Charlotte says, thanks, Mom. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That is the ad. Hopefully you guys can save some money. I think it's not as a great week like it usually has been. This week's actually better than next week, but just want to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.